Good morning, student. Welcome to all in the home mentoring session from the SD Vidya School. Myself, Ritu Mittal, mathematics teacher. Now, today we will start with the exercise 11.2, question number 4. Let me start with the question number 4. The question number 4 is that draw a pair of tangents to a circle of radius 5 cm which are inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degree. Now this is the question and this is very important question. Please student mark it as a very important question. So let's start this question. But before starting that, let's we draw its rough figure what we have to draw so that you will get more clear how can we draw this. So in this question they are asking we have to draw a 5 cm circle radius and then we have to draw two tangents from a point that will be any point that is exterior point, and this is the center O and this will be, and this is angle 60 degree. This we have to draw. So how can we do that? So I just explain you. If we will draw the radius of this circle, and all of you know that the sum of these two angle is 180 degree. If I am giving it as a name A, B and this is P, it means that the sum of angle AOB plus angle APB, that is 180 degree. And if I have to find out the angle AOB, I have to find out angle AOB, that is equal to 180 minus angle APB, and that will be equal to 180 minus 60 degree, and this is 120. It means that I find out this one angle is 120 degree, and as all of you know that these two angles are of 90 degree. So this is exactly a figure that we have to draw. So let's start. So how can we do that? Let's start with it. So first of all we have to draw a circle of radius 5 cm. So here I will take 5 cm radius in the compass. So this is a 5 cm. So first of all what we have to do, we have to draw a circle of radius 5 cm. So this is a circle of radius 5 cm. Now what is the next step? That is very important. We will draw this 120 degree angle at the center. So let me draw a radius. This is the first radius I draw, and all of you know how to draw 120 degree angle. I just turn out my notebook. From the center I will draw an arc. Here is the arc, and from here I hope that all of you get clear this. This is first and this one is the second with the same, and this one arc that will be a 120 degree angle. So we will draw a line from here that touches this point, and that is 120 degree. So I hope that all of you get clear how to draw a 120 degree angle. Now the next important step, we have to draw 90 degree angle at both the point. This is a point A, here it is O, and this is A and this is B. Now from point A we have to draw a 90 degree angle. So again I am taking a compass. We will draw with a compass. So first of all I will draw an arc from here. I just draw an arc. Now I just cut this arc at 2 points. This is 60 degree and this is 120 degree. Now we have to bisect these two arcs, and that will be a 90 degree. So let me draw a straight line. This is a point and this will be a point. Let me see this, and this is the point, and we will draw a line, a little bit bigger line. Let me have to draw it. This is a 90 degree angle. Now the same procedure we have to follow here also. So I am showing you how to draw this. Again I am drawing an arc. Now I will mark 2 arc the same way as we had done, and I hope that all of you know how to draw a 90-degree angle. Now we have to bisect it. So this is 90-degree line we have to draw. So let's see how can we do this. Okay, this is so easy, and now we will find out. Now what happened? This is 60-degree angle, this is 120-degree, this is 90-degree, this one is also 90-degree, and this one is 60-degree angle. If you want to measure it, you can measure and check it that this is a 60-degree angle. Sorry student, let me check it with the. Now we can see that this is exactly a 60-degree angle. You can see it. Fine. So in this way we can draw a 60-degree angle by using this, and this is a 60-degree angle. I hope that all of you get clear how can we draw the 60-degree angle and the rest of the figure. Thank you students. Now let me start the question number 6. The question number 6 is that let ABC be a right triangle in which AB is equal to 6 cm, BC is equal to 8 cm, and angle B is equal to 90 degree. BD is a perpendicular from B on AC. The circle through BCD is drawn. Construct the tangents from A to this circle. Now this question is a little bit different from other question, as we have to draw the circle as well as we have to draw the triangle, and we have to draw the tangents also. There is so many construction in this question. So let's start step by step and you will get it how to do that. So first part is that we have to draw a triangle, and in the triangle there is given the two sides, one is AB and the another one is BC. The length of AB is 6 cm and the length of BC is 8 cm. So we will draw the bigger one side whose length is 8 cm. So first of all let me draw the length of 8 cm, that is BC. So here is BC. So this is point BC. Now the next we have to draw AB, but at point B the 90-degree angle. So we can draw 90-degree angle. So here I am taking this and I will draw a 90-degree angle. All of you know how to draw the 90-degree angle. Fine. Now we have to make two arc, 60 degree, 90 degree. Then we have to bisect this, and here we get the 90-degree angle. This is so simple. And its length, AB length is 6 cm. So we will draw a 6 cm line directly. This is point, and this is a line, and this is 90 degree. So here it is 90-degree angle, and this is point A. So let me join the triangle and we get the triangle ABC. तो ये हमने क्या किया है, फर्स्ट स्टेप हमारा क्लियर हो गया, हमारा ट्रायंगल आ गया हमारे पास ABC. नाउ व्हाट इज़ द नेक्स्ट स्टेप? फ्रॉम पॉइंट B वी हैव टू ड्रॉ BD, एंड दैट इज़ पॉइंट D इज़ परपेंडिकुलर ऑन AC. सो हाउ कैन वी डू दैट? बी केयरफुल. फ्रॉम पॉइंट B हमने कंपास में थोड़ा सा ऐसे आर्क लिया एंड वी हैव टू मार्क इट ओवर देयर. एक आर्क हमने यहाँ पे बना लिया. Is it okay? Now here we get the 2 point. One point is this one, mark it properly, and the another point is this. Now what is the next step? We have to bisect this. So how can we bisect? We have to take more than half, and this side also we have to take more than half, and we just bisect this line, and this is 90 degree, and that is a perpendicular on line AC. This is point D. So here we get the point D. Now what is next? We have to draw a circle that touches the point BCD. So how can we do that? Now we will bisect this line BC. Bisect the line BC. Okay, we require this more. One more. Now we will draw a line, and this is the line, and we get the center of the BC. So this is the center. Now from this we will draw a circle. And you can see that it touches all the 3 points A, C and D. The first thing is completed. This is a point D, this is point B, and this is point C. Now we give this point as O. Now next we have to draw tangent to this circle from point A. So how can we do that? We will draw a line from point A to this point O. Let me draw a line. I am here drawing a dotted line from point A to point O. This is a dotted line. Now the next step is that I just bisect this line AO. So all of you know how to bisect the line. We will take a line, mark this. Yeah, there are so many construction here, so be careful about the points. How can we solve this question? I just mark it once again. Now here I get the 2 points. Now I have to join these 2 points. So be careful about these 2 points. One is this and the another one is this. Now here I get the center of this line OA. Now I will draw a circle, and that circle will touches to the 2 point and this is the center, and here we can find out this is a point B, and here we get the another point, that is E. From here we have to draw a tangent. So in this way we have to draw this figure. This is already drawn, so we don't require to draw this one. I hope that all of you get clear now. I hope that all of you get clear the whole chapter. Now all of you have to do it yourself, the question number 7. Thank you student, and have a nice day.